Hey everybody, Thomas here. I'm out here with Evie. Tommy just went up the hill to go get a bag. We literally crested the hill and we're looking for morels. Check out right here. First morel of the morning within the first, 50 feet. So that's a good sign. I think this is gonna be a great morel hunting trip. We're out here on the front edge of our property here in Tennessee. And we're gonna continue to look through here, but yeah, very, very happy to see that beautiful morel right there. So someone's gonna have a good dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this is number 4. That's a beautiful specimen right there. Go ahead and grab that one, Evelyn, and break off the little dirt thing on the bottom there. Yeah, that's awesome. So we have 2 pretty good sized ones and then 2 little ones, but I'm gonna put it in the bag, Evelyn. I don't have my correct bag with me today, but that's okay. What we have found though is being close to this sand creek here, the sand bed creek here, is where we're finding more of them, which is anticipated. That's usually where I find morels, is around a low-lying area, a wet area. We had a big heavy rain last night, which really helps to make them stand out more against all the rest of the debris on the floor here. But yeah, we're going to continue working through. This is awesome. We are definitely eating morels tonight. We're doing my mom's and my birthday party tonight, and we are going to have some morels. Very excited. Okay, folks, we have actually found what I've been looking for. This is a mother lode of morels, I'll say. I see 1 over there. I see 2 there. There's a big one there next to Evelyn. There's 1 right there. There's another one back over there. So these
The jackpot.
are pretty good morels. I'm very happy with all this. Now we are finding these on the south facing side and the lowland bottoms. We just had a rainstorm yesterday that came through here. We got a lot of rain. We probably got like close to 3 inches of rain. It is March something, 25th or 6th, 26th, 2024. So yes, very excited. I'm gonna have to backtrack and look over here as well, but very, very excited. Now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to pinch them off and leave the root stem, oops, sorry Evelyn, leave the root stem down below so that maybe they can pop back up. Look at that, just beautiful, beautiful morel. Evelyn didn't do a good job of pinching it off. No. That's okay, but yeah, awesome. This is what I like to see. Yeah, beautiful morels.
It's out of my hand.
That one's a little bit far gone, but we'll see. Yeah, oh yeah, super exciting. So let's give us a second here. We're gonna go ahead and figure out how many we have here and get you kind of a final count. So Tommy found a nice little grouping right here. He's got 3 nice ones. Again, we're just gonna kind of break off the base, where we leave the base down there and everything.
Like that, like just break off right there?
Yep, so there you go. That way we'll have a chance for them to grow back. The bag, we're getting more and more, and yes,
what type of mushroom is that?
That's the bottom part of the morel. But yeah, we are finding a ton here, and we got to be careful that we don't step on any of them, because there's a lot down here in this bottom. This is what I was hoping for. So far, we have found 13 right in this little vicinity within, this will be about 20 square foot. So not too shabby. This is exactly what we're looking for. Indications, we have May-apples here. We have moss here. We have a south facing or lowland bottom. And that's been kind of our ticket, as well as, it sounds silly, but feces, whether it be rabbit or deer or anything like that. But yeah, we're gonna walk this area and then come back through, see if we can find some more. But yes, the bag, we are getting morels. Heck yeah. So folks, this right here is an absolute perfect specimen. Very happy way this one looks. Just beautiful, beautiful morel. Like we are getting. Oh, you found another one over there. That's good. So yeah, we are finding them. I'm very happy. The kids are enjoying this. We're gonna have a great dinner tonight. Lots of big morels. There you go, beautiful one. Great job, Tommy. So far, I think Evelyn's found the largest one.
Yep.
I have found the most. And Tommy found a pretty good grouping of in one little area. They're all pretty good size. But Evelyn has also found the smallest one too.
Yes.
She got one the size of your little bitty pinky finger. All right, we're gonna get back to it. This is awesome. This is what we do in the springtime here in Tennessee. Great way to get out there, explore the property. I'm looking for down trees. So far, we found 2 down poplar trees I need to pull out of the woods. Oh my goodness, Tommy, you walked right past these. Is it right where you got yours? You missed these 2 beautiful ones right here.
How big are they? They're tiny.
Those aren't tiny. Anyways, we found 2 big poplars I got to pull out of the woods, and we've also found a black walnut that came down during a recent storm that I'll have to definitely get out. So, yeah, this is a great day with the kids. We came down here to move one more load with the, for the move down here, but we are just so excited about getting down here. Yep, everyone's found a couple right there. You gotta be careful where I'm walking. This is what I like to find. Just a treasure trove of morels, especially doing it with the kids. Now, the most I ever found, or the biggest ones I ever found, were up in Missouri at my wife's grandmother's property. And there was probably 30 of them, and they were absolutely massive. The size of my hand, monster morels. But yeah, again, if you live essentially from northern Mississippi all the way up to Wisconsin, this is a great springtime activity to do with the kids. I highly recommend it. It's fun to get out here, learn what's on the property, explore. We've been doing tree identification all over the place. Yeah, this is a great way to teach the kids about the outdoors and just have a fun time doing it. Oh, thought I saw one right there, I didn't. But yeah, stay tuned. So I got to keep my skills up because Evelyn's getting really good. Thank goodness I find, look at this thing. There's a little one next to that big one there. So I'm gonna leave that little one there. A turkey or something will come by and eat it. There's a little one right here too. Gotta get some of the debris off of that. It's not the best. Don't step on the little one there. But anyways, we did find some on the hillside to my right, but they tend to be smaller and taller. The larger morels thus far have been down here in the bottoms. This lowland section, nice moist soil. They've been growing here longer, and obviously, I guess with the temperatures, this area has not frozen in quite a while. So we've got the 58 degree or roughly 58 degree temperature of the soil required for the morel mushrooms. And we've been finding them around privet as well. So yes, May apples, that's a good indication. Moss, another great indication that you have the correct moisture in the soil. And then this bottom section here, unfortunately, is invasive privet, but it has proved to be pretty fruitful in the way of harboring morel mushrooms. I can't complain there, but I don't know. I've got 30 plus mushrooms right now. So very excited. Kids are super excited about dinner tonight. And then we're gonna go ahead and dry some of these so we can bring them back to my wife up in Wisconsin and my mother-in-law as well. But yeah, we're got May apples there, so wish us luck. We're gonna continue on here. From here, we're gonna go back to the house, and then we're gonna go over to our 8-acre property just down the road. And then we're gonna go over to our new property, which we're buying, and check the creek bottoms there as well. So yes, big day of morel mushroom hunting. And I appreciate you coming along for our journey here. I've tried to film this numerous times. It is very hard to film morels, and we always try to plan our vacations around morel season. On this one here, just didn't think about it. It just kind of happened, and lo and behold, it worked out. We came down here to do another movement of the household goods, and like I said, lo and behold, we are finding morel mushrooms. Could not be happier. All right, stay tuned. Okay, folks, so for the first little, I'd say an hour and a half or so, we found 44. So we got 44 here, some weird shaped ones, and there was actually a couple that we threw back because they're getting a bit old. This one right here is pretty close to being pretty old. But for the most part, I think these are going to be awesome. And this is only the first property. Then we're going to go over to the 8 acres. And that's another good area. And then we'll go look at my parents' property. They've got another section there that is just absolutely phenomenal for morels. But again, we've been finding them on the south-facing hillsides, around moss, around mayapples, and also down in the bottoms where it's really wet soil. So the 3 M's are moss, mayapples, and moist. That's what we've been finding them so far, and yeah, we'll continue to look for them.